Yesterday we spoke about, again, if a person took off his talit and he had intention to put back the talit back on, Halakha says that you don't have to make a beracha, and since you had in mind the beracha that you made it originally is hal, as long as, again, that you're putting the talit back on within the half hour. However, if a person took off the talit and he had no intentions to put the talit back on, he's finished, and then all of a sudden he changes his mind, says, you know what, I want to put the talit back on because I want to go up, I want to be hazan, I want to stay in the shul for longer. So therefore he decided, he changed his mind, he took it off first and he folded it, thinking he's done, and then he changed his mind, he wants to stay for another few more minutes, so he says, I'm not going to stay without a talit, I'll put the talit back on. Halakha is, even though it's within the half hour, he still is kevan that he took his mind off the talit. Halakha says that he would have to repeat the beracha and say another beracha. Another case, a person took off the talit and went to the bathroom. He put it on the side, it was a Shabbat, and he put it on the side, assuming that when he comes back out of the bathroom, he's going to take the talit and put it back on. When he comes back out of the bathroom, he realizes that the talit that he put, somebody else took it. And that is another talit. So now, he has a different talit over there. Does he have to make a beracha? Halakha says, kevan that it's a different talit. Again, it wasn't the talit that he made the beracha on. So then in such a case, he would have to repeat and say a new beracha on the new talit again. Or if he wants to take a different one, he'll have to say another beracha before he puts on the talit, even though it's within the half hour that he took off the talit right before he went to the bathroom.